Sanibonani bafowethu, ngiyanibingelela ekseni. Umuntu akabonge nje ukufollowa yinina nethuba ke eninginikeza lona lokuthi ngikhulume neimpilo zenu. My little contribution to i-community yethu as abantu abaphila eSouth Africa. Well ke angifuni ukusho okuningi. Let me tell you ukuthi ke yini engizokhuluma ngayo la. I just want to look at iThabo Mbeki Foundation i-briefing yabo la kade khona bekhuluma ngezathu zabo zokuthi why bekhwithile kwi-National Dialogue. Kunezinto ezibalekile ke azikhulumile u-former president ubaba uThabo Mbeki nabanye kade banikezile ithuba lokuthi baphawule. So I just want to look at that, but before diving into that, let me take this opportunity to say thank you so much for trusting me, trusting my wisdom. It's God-given talent. It has got nothing to do with the controlled system of the special selected elect, whatever you call it, laba ekuthiwa ke bafundile. I'm not against abantu abafundile, but enye izinto engizodiscussa ngazo la mangilalela uThabo Mbeki Foundation ikhuluma sinayo lenkinga ye group of people abafundile ama graduates aba professor who think bona ba special kunathi thina as ordinary citizens of this country. Ubaba uThabo Mbeki uthi siyazazi inkinga zonke ezikhona eSouth Africa. We don't have to dwell much on discussing them because we already know them. Ekunalokho kumele siqhamuke nama solutions, and ke masiqhamuka nama solutions into ayishoyo uthi ke kubiza ukuthi mhlambe kuqhamuke into efana ne consultation la khona kuzoyiwa einhlakeni ezithize emphakathini esiphila kuyo. Uma ayibala ke lezi inhlaka ubala abantu besifazane ukuthi we have to consult women, group of women, they must have delegation uzowalinganisa ngo-200 wama delegations abantu besifazane and abezenkolo nabomdaba amakhosi and youth. Well akayibala ngabe igroup yamadoda as always amadoda nje they are not being considered. So okunye ke okungithuse kakhulu ukuthi uvele wenza isibonelo nje ngomama beseduze kwakhe oprofessor wasesho ke okuningi okungenze ngabona ukuthi abantu abafundile kakhulu abama graduates kuthina bantu abamnyama we think ibona who can represent us better. We don't look at what they offer, we look at their qualifications. We have trusted abantu abafundile from way back kusukela ngo-1912 kufonyishwa i-ANC. The people who were leading i-ANC akwabantu ababefundile most yabo. So we are failing really to judge people according to their abilities. Sibajudge abantu ngamaphepha. That is why abanye abantu they even go to an extreme of forging these papers. Thola umuntu kuthiwa uyi-PhD holder, but when you listen to this person ubona ukuthi akekho ndawo. Yabona? So i-society yethu siyenze yakholelwa ukuthi umuntu onama qualifications, umuntu onamaphepha can represent us better. Well, I can tell you now, sinomasipala kade belidwa omeya aba former principal of the school who did well in education, but uma sekuza ekubeni umeya and to deliver for imphakathi bahluleka, because it is not about your paper, it is about who you are and what you believe in. I'm not trying to say education ayisizi. Nami I've been through the education system ngebandla, but ngeke ngiclaim izinto ezinkulu as if I went too far or too high. No, but leyo basic iyangisiza ukwazi ukuyisayinela nokwazi ukuyifundela into so that I can challenge i-system yalelizwe esiphila kulona. But I do have an issue yokuthi kubukelwe phansi abantu ngokuthi mhlawumbe abanama qualifications athize kuze kube ngathi ukuthi ingqondo yabo icabanga kancane. Ngake ngithi ke mina there is a big difference between being educated and being learned. Umuntu o-learned umuntu ofundayo daily, ufunda kuyo yonke into ekhona emhlabeni, kwi-environment you learn, kubantu bekhuluma you learn, through research you learn, but the education system, it conform you to a system creative, and you think according to the pattern you can think as far as this. You don't go beyond this. That's what system does. That's what education system can do. But if we intellect umuntu ozihlakaniphele or independent thinker, you might not have such high qualifications, but uthola ukuthi abantu abanawo, they can't even come closer to who you are. Abantu abanjengoba kuthi aboMbeki, I cannot criticize them for their excellence. I mean, uhlakaniphile, we know him for that. He's smart, he's educated, but ke lokho kuhlakanipha kwakho, leyo education yakho isize kangakanani thina. Angikusho lokho ngikubheka ngesikhathi upresident, because you are not only a leader when you are a president. You are a leader because you've been in a leading role, whether before you become a president or even after. You are still a leader of the society. So ke kuloko uba umholi we society. As the society, how much are we benefiting from your leadership skill and nokuhlakanipha kwakho na? Lezi zinto ayikhuluma manje at his old age. Ukhuluma ngokudevelopa i-document. Okay, let me just go into why bekwithile kwi-national dialogue. One, bathi i-hijackiwe because bona bebekholelwa ukuthi aqale kudevelopwe i-document after consultation, kube khona i-document edevelopwayo, and then whatever will be done ulandelwe leyo document ukuthi labantu abaconsultile bathini as representatives of the whole nation, ngokwama groups, youth, women, this and that. Yabo, so ke kwa ukuthi khona abantu ke ababona imali esandleni, but nje no, we can go to a university and start this, the money is there, so thola sesikhona ukuthi really what's the issue, what can be discussed with dialogue, blah blah blah. So ke then ke basebethi ke laba ke foundation ya babuthi aboMbeki, no, lento lezongcolisa igama lethu, rather quit and then try to ukuthi si defend and make sure ukuthi national dialogue it serve its purpose. Kube ukuthi yenziwa ngesikhathi right, because boso bakhala ngesikhathi ukuthi 15 August it was like of a short notice, no time to prepare, you know. So manje uzogcina kwenzeka izinto ngendlela engeyona, yabona. So now, who are these people who are involved? Do you think these are illiterate people, abantu abangafundile? No, these are people who are greedy. Noma befundile, umuntu nje onenhliziyo ethanda imali ngeke umenze lutho noma nganamajazi amangakanani. That's what I'm saying, and that is my concern. Sicabanga ukuthi abantu abazosilida correctly, abantu abama-graduates, abantu abafundile. Remember, I said I've got nothing to do, I've got nothing against the education, but angithandi ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi i-qualification yomuntu imenza lo muntu akusebe much better than umuntu mhlawumbe ongenama ama-qualifications amakhulu. Ake sibheke abantu for who they are, not lokho asebek-achievile in life, ukuze sikwazi ukuthola ama-leaders. Well, angiphinde futhi ngikusho lokho ukuthi bafethu, amanye ama-platform, they are limiting us. We can't express ourselves freely. Like about TikTok, it has to be 2 minutes. But if you choose to follow us on YouTube and subscribe, kuyasiposta lokho kakhulu, ukuthi sikwazi nathi futhi kuyasilekelela ukuthi sikwazi nathi to reach to a wider audience and sizikhulume kahle lezi zinto sikhululekile sinesikhathi. Ngane zawethu sibeke okhethweni ke lo hulumeni basemakhaya. I've got a lot to say. Well, khona akoshilo kimi wathi mfethu wena izinto ezikhuluma ziyasiza, but kubukeke ngathi ukuthi utargeta i-audience le ekhuluma isiZulu kuphela or understand isiZulu. What about those who cannot understand Zulu? Well, the time is coming where I'm going to reach out to the larger audience. I don't have a problem of expressing myself in English. I can do well, but I understand one thing. English is a borrowed language for me. I am in Africa. I am in South Africa, to be specific. There are serious South African issues that I have to deal with, especially uthina esikhuluma ulimi lelo sul understandayo. Kumele ukuthi ngikhulume njengomageba, because ke nayo leyo nto yokucabanga ukuthi kuzokhulumeka kancane uma sibeka ngesingisi, whereas when you go to France they speak French and they do things. When you go to China they speak is it Mandarin, le language abayikhuluma, and benza izinto zenzeke. Uye Europe bakhuluma isingisi sabo benza izinto zenzeke. But when it comes to Africa, we want to believe that we can do things better only if we speak in English. kufanele nalokunye sikubone ukuthi it's another problem that can be solved in the near future by the future generation, not us. So ngibonga kakhulu bafowethu, nibe nosuku oluhle. Danko.